So you have a call center and you obviously want your agents to improve. Everybody wants that. And we could all agree that in order to really help train your agents, you're going to need to record calls. But there's a couple hurdles with that usually pop up. Number one, if sometimes there's being sensitive information shared on a call, you can't record all calls because you can't record that information. So that's a problem. The second problem is even if you can record all of your calls, who wants to go through all those call recordings? Who has time to start sitting down and just going through call recordings and trying to find moments where you can use as an example to train other employees, or try to find moments where employees need training? It's just a ton of time. So what happens is that call center managers end up not ever using the call recording, right? So that's the problem with it. But AI is actually changing that. And I'm gonna tell you how. Quick reminder, if you'd like my recommendation on the best call center software vendors that your company should be quoting, reach out and contact me, send me an email, give me a call. You're gonna work with me directly, and I will help you make a better decision in a fraction of the time. So I love doing that. That's why I do the videos. So definitely reach out and contact me. More information on that at the end of the video with all the details. Also, don't forget to check out our website. On our website, I guarantee you've never seen anything like it. You can actually sort through call center software vendors by feature and see reviews on those vendors and read information about them, all kinds of stuff like that. It's like a one-stop shop marketplace to do your initial just kind of browsing about what's out there. So go check that out. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video, ring the bell, all that fun stuff. That helps our videos get out there to more people, and I'd really appreciate it. Like I said in the beginning of the video, everyone wants to train their call center agents or their contact center agents, whatever you want to call it. But the problem is that you need to record calls to really get down into the specifics of training, right? But there's two hurdles with that, like we talked about before. Number one, if your company is sharing sensitive information, you can't really record all the calls all the time, because what if there's sensitive information being shared, like health history or credit card number, things like that. So you can't necessarily record all calls all the time. And the second hurdle is even if you can record all the calls all the time, the problem is that who's gonna go through all those calls and look for trainable moments or look for moments to use as an example to new trainees? Who has that amount of time? So what happens is that call center managers just don't review the recordings. So then they're kind of useless and the employees aren't getting trained as well as they could be being trained. But AI is really changing all that. There's a lot of call center software solutions out there that are using AI to really improve call recording so that it's much more usable for you as a company to use to improve your agents, which improves your customer experience, which improves your company's profitability on the call center. So the first way they're doing that is with the first issue that I mentioned, with sensitive information. So through AI can detect when sensitive information is being shared on a call, and it can automatically stop the call recording and then restart it once the sensitive information is not being shared. So that eliminates the first problem. The second thing AI can do, through machine learning, it can detect different words being said and detect, hey, is this something that we should make a playlist for? So it can automatically create playlists for things like handling a difficult call, or times when a customer got angry, or times when a customer got really excited, or times when a competitor was mentioned, or times when pricing was mentioned. Anything like that, it can actually create playlists for your manager to go back and listen to. So whether or not your manager wants to listen to things that he or she could use as training examples to have other employees listen to, or maybe they want to listen to certain playlists. Maybe they want to have a playlist for each individual agent and try to find trainable moments that maybe they need to be trained up a little bit. So there's different ways they can do it, but hey, as soon as they log into their dashboard, they've got a playlist already there. with it marked out when certain things are said or when certain things happen in calls. So much more useful to a call center manager to be able to really utilize to train your agents. Another bonus thing that AI can do is it can detect when a customer is really happy with the service and create a playlist for that. And your company can go back and reach out to those customers for writing customer reviews or providing your company with testimonials. You can even set up some automation around reaching out to those folks on email or texting or something like that to ask them for a testimonial or to ask them to review something on your company's website because you've detected that person was happy with the call. So a lot of cool things AI can do at the end of the day to improve your call center, help train employees, which is going to improve the call center, improve your customer experience. So definitely something you want to take a look at and something that should probably be on your must-have list if you're shopping for a new call center software vendor. Speaking of which, again, if you'd like my recommendations on the best call center software vendors that your company should be quoting, absolutely reach out and contact me, send me an email, give me a call. I will help you make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. So I'll ask you some questions about your company's requirements, and based on your answers there, I've been working in the industry for over 20 years. I represent all of the major call center software vendors, and based on what your company needs, I can tell you exactly which companies your organization should be quoting and why. I can introduce you to those companies, introduce you to the best reps at those companies to work with that I've worked with a bunch of times with my existing customers, and oversee the quoting process to make sure you get the best pricing from that vendor. And the nice thing is, on top of all that, is you don't have to pay me anything for my broker services. The service providers actually pay me my fee, so there's no excuse not to at least reach out and give me a try and see what I have to say. And like I said earlier, don't forget to visit our website, www.aerocominc.com, and search for call center software providers by feature, read reviews on them, read a little bit about them, watch videos on the different providers, all that good stuff. Eventually you are going to get to the point where you're going to have more questions and want to get pricing and get some recommendations. And that's when you reach out to me. But hey, check out the website as a starting point. That'll help. And as always, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.